Morning everyone, so it's currently now 9:57 and I think I'm done trading. I'm gonna call it a day here with my last trade being on Chek, I'm sorry, no, it was not on Chek, it was on Sglb. Sglb was my last trade of the day. Right now, right about 10 minutes ago, I've been just waiting over here to see if there's gonna be anything. I know they're set up right now. As you guys can see, I'm up right now. Let's see, I'm currently up right now 4,992. On Chek, I'm up 2,090. Sglb, I'm up 2,827. And like I said this morning on Chek, I said on let's see. Sorry, I was just trying to do, I was seeing something else right now. SLGV, that's the one now. Look at SLGV right now. I mean, the whole level is right about 753. I took a trade right about here on SLGV. Right about here, I was waiting for the next 1 minute count to make a new high. So I took it right here. And then let's see, SLGB, my first trade was a 96, 696. Yeah, it was right about somewhere over here, 96. I want to say I went long for the break of $7. And let's see, SLGB, I'm looking at my orders. It looks like I sold right at $7. I was taking a lot of well, not a lot of trades, just mini trades. And then, for example, I went long. It had a nice pullback, so I added. But here, this is a perfect 1 minute. I also traded this one. I went long right about 15. It was 7:15. Right about here. I was anticipating the break of the previous candle, so that's a 1 minute setup right here. Also, look what we just had right now. Look at that. That's a nice setup. Also, of the next 5 minute count to make a new high, that works. It hit a high of 768 right now, but it pulls back. Also, Chek, it died. Well, Chek this morning, like I said, I wanted to see a pullback and a nice gap and go trade. So we actually did have that. So, but it wasn't that great. So I saw before the market how it was pulling back, and I said, well, that's not the one I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit more of a pullback like this one over here on the 5 minute. And let's see. Oh, let me bring up the other one. This one, I like this one better. So I can just move it around. Let's see. The time is right there. Okay, so this one I also was looking at this flat top breakout on the 5 minute. So I went long right about 20. What was the previous high? It was right about 435. I remember. No, I went long over here right about 28, 25. I was expecting the break, but we didn't get it. But I sold for profit still right about 30. And then I was just taking a couple trades, but I was just doing my quick recap right now. I'm currently up this amount over here. But let's see now. Look at this on SGLV. Let's see SGLV. The problem about this one, well, it has a lot of sellers. We run into walls of sellers, and then it goes all the way down and reloads, and it just breaks it. But then we find another wall of sellers. For example, these flushes. Look at these flushes. Look on Chek. I stopped trading Chek because of this also. I didn't get caught up on this flush. I actually had about, from my previous trade, I still had about I think it was 500 shares, and then look at this. Look at this. As we're speaking right now, this thing was just 18 seconds ago. It was just about 761 and the 750. Now look at this. It's right about 689. So I'm gonna call it a day here. So I just came up here to do my quick recap. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the morning show. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.